Tri-Fi box. So, today we are here to start the activity on the food chain. I hope you all have the activities in your hands. So, the objective of this activity is to understand the concept of feeding relationship in the environment by making a working model of food chain. Okay, so you must have seen this in your real life also. I hope you all have the instruction sheets ready in your hand. Please read the instructions carefully and start the activity.
Food chain. We have a tray, a sticker, some LEDs, hook, battery, board pins, battery connector, wire, and a tiny component that is called resistor. Okay. First of all, we will peel off the sticker and paste it over the base, that means tray. Paste it on the center of the tray. Now insert the board pins. Make hole for the LEDs here. First, make 2 small holes nearby for the LEDs, and then insert 5 board pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and likewise insert 5 LEDs here. Now we have 5 LEDs here, 5 board pins here. Remember, the positive terminals, that means the longer terminal of the LED should be on this side. So if we will flip the cardboard, on the back side all the big terminals should be on left side. Big means the positive terminals. Now fold these terminals like this a little bit, and then now take a piece of wire, peel it off from both sides, make a bunch of these wires. Now attach this wire to the board pin. Just wrap the wire around the board pin. After wrapping it up, take a piece of tape and insert the tape over the board pin so that this will fix the wire here. Now to attach with the LED, we will wrap the wire over the small terminal. Remember, small terminals, that means the negative one. Wrap the wire and then fold the terminal in U shape, mean complete 180 degree for the terminal. And similarly, you will attach the wires from each board pin to the corresponding LED, and after that wrap these terminals of the LED together, 1, 2, and this terminal, and also attach wires from this terminal to this terminal to this terminal. That means attach all the positive big terminals together. Okay, now we have made all the connections here. After that, take the battery connector. On the red terminal, red wire of the battery connector, attach the resistor. Just wrap the wire around the terminal of the resistor, and as we have done with the LED, after wrapping the wire, fold the terminal in U shape, that means 180 degree. Now after attaching the resistor, attach the resistor to any one of these positive terminals of the LED. We have attached the positive terminals of the LED together on any one of the terminal you will attach the resistor. So in this way the positive wire of the battery connector is connected to the positive terminal of the LED. Now on the negative wire, attach the remaining piece of the wire and on the free end of the wire attach the hook. Now our project is almost ready. Just attach the battery and fold the cardboard tray. I am not attaching the battery right now. First of all, we will make the tray. How to make the tray? Just fold the cardboard like this, then hold this flap and push this flap over here. Once again, small flap, then hold it like this and your tray is ready. Now we have made the project. Now attach the battery to the connector and to test your project you can see that on touching the board pin the particular LED glows. So this is how your food chain project works.
I hope आप सबको एक्टिविटी अच्छी लगी हो और सबने एक्टिविटी से बहुत कुछ सीखा हो. अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. द फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज a dash is used to close or break a circuit. What is used to close or break a circuit? Switch. Second question. Electric current flows in a continuous path within a dash circuit. Current कैसे flow करता है? Closed या open circuit में? बताओ. Closed circuit में. Third is both pins and hooks are used as dash in this project. What are both pins and hooks used as? A switch in this project. Fourth, dash are designed to limit the flow of current. What is designed to limit the flow of current? Resistors या insulators? बताओ. The answer is resistors. Now, the fifth question is the base of every food chain are who starts the food chains? Producers. Now, animals that eat primary producers are dash consumers. What are animals that eat primary producers are? Primary consumers. A food web is dash. What is a food web? A food web is a network of many food chains. Okay. Now, the eighth question is a food chain usually starts from dash and ends at dash. What does a food chain starts and ends at? अभी आपने एक्टिविटी करी ना? A food chain starts from producer and ends at a top predator. What does it ends at? A top predator. Now the ninth question is tertiary consumers eat dash consumers. What does tertiary consumers eat? They eat secondary consumers. Energy transferred from subsequent lower to higher tropical level is, what is the percentage? It is 10%. So now we are done with the activity and the question and answer round. I hope you all like the activity. Till then, happy learning.